Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. In today's video, Amma is sharing how you can combine pork with Karela. For this dish to be a success, you will need to specifically use Chinese Karela as it has a very mild bitter taste. Normally these two ingredients are not paired together, however you will be surprised to learn that this dish is actually really delicious. To make this dish you will need 600 grams of pork belly, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, salt as per your taste buds, a handful of chopped coriander, 2 medium-sized chopped onions, 1 red chilli, 100 grams of Chinese Karela, 1.5 medium-sized tomato, and half a lemon. To start off, in a preheated pan, add some oil. Then add the fenugreek seeds. After a few minutes, start placing the chopped pieces of pork belly into the pan. Fill in the spaces when placing the pork instead of piling them on top of one another so that each individual piece of pork has an opportunity to evenly cook on all sides. The first half of the cooking process involves just cooking the pork, so continue to stir and take breaks in between. You can also close the lid of the pan. Continue to stir and flip over the pork so both sides are evenly cooked. Now that the pork is well cooked, it has turned into a warm kind of red and brown colour. You will also find a lot of oil has accumulated in your pan due to the pork fat, so just grab a spoon and take out as much of it as possible and dispose it. Now it's time to add the additional ingredients. We are going to add the onions and lightly fry them for a few minutes. Add some salt, however much you prefer. Next, add turmeric powder. Then the ginger and garlic paste. Now add the dhania powder, chop up the chillies and then add them into the mix. Next, add the Chinese Karela, followed by the tomatoes. We are now heading towards the final stage of the cooking process. For the next step, in a separate pan, lightly roast the cumin seeds for a few minutes. You do not need cooking oil for this step. Now crush the cumin seeds into a fine powder-like substance. pour the cumin seed powder into the mixture. Continue to stir for a few more minutes. If the pork is becoming dry and sticking to the pan, you can add some water to add a bit of moisture. Lastly, squeeze some lemon over the pork. Then cook and stir for a few more minutes before serving. To check if the karela is cooked, use your cooking utensil to apply pressure. It should easily break in half. The karela should be delicate and soft. Okay, so this is the finished product. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!